what's going on, all of you wonderful and amazing people. This is a run, do not walk situation. Right now, Apple is doing direct hires for their pay at home advisors position. Now I'm going to click on it. Okay. So I'm going to put the link in the description, and you come over here and you simply click here where it says Apple pay at home advisors. And it's going to take you over here. Now, with this position, this is a at-home position. You can live in any city across the U.S. You do not need to live in the city that is posted to be considered, okay? Now, what you'll basically be doing is you'll be supporting payment solutions on many of Apple's popular products, which includes iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, desktops, etc. Okay. Now, they do send you equipment anytime you're working for Apple. Okay. So if you don't have a laptop or a computer, don't worry. Okay. They will send you a computer. However, you may need, okay, to have some sort of setup in case, they invite you to an interview. They will ask to see your setup. Be aware of that, because they want to be sure that you are set up to actually work from home and you do have adequate space to provide good customer service, okay? Now, you must be available to attend 1 to 2 weeks of required training on a fixed schedule that may include weekends, all right? So this is a virtual training, but you will need to be available for at least 2 weeks of training. So if you don't have any experience, no problem. If you have an Apple phone, you are pretty much good to go, because I'm pretty sure you already know a little bit of the ins and outs of the technicalities of iPhones, all right? You also must be flexible to work between the hours of 7 a.m. To 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. That doesn't mean that's going to be your schedule. It just, you need to be available between those hours. Also including weekends, because you may have to work some weekends, all right? Link in the description box down below. And also, you guys, come over here and check out any of these companies right here. Okay, as long as the link still works, they're still hiring. For example, Broadpath right now, they're looking for quality analysts. Now, this is a non-phone position, and they also send you equipment, all right? So they send you a laptop, a 4-port USB hub, a webcam, and a USB headset. They send you all of this stuff. So again, come over to the blog. I have a ton of positions over here, people that are hiring right now. Everything that you need is in the description box down below. And also, don't forget to come over and join the Work at Home Lounge. As always, they get these leads first because it's easier. And then, of course, I disperse them through my email list, as well as post here on YouTube. So good luck to those of you guys that apply, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.